It's time to learn how to create a full-text search experience with Brain. Before we get started, make sure you have a table in the database module, including the information you will be working with. For this video, we'll use a products table from our e-commerce starter template. In your canvas, create a container and inside it place an input field. This element will be our search bar, so adjust its design assets as you prefer. In Adjust mode, look for the props panel and write words search here in the placeholder field. Also, in the reactive field, set the value as true, which means each time a user writes in the search bar, Brain will immediately start looking for the best results. Also, while selecting the search bar, go to Code mode and in the Model panel write the following expression. Once your search bar is set, create a variable of type database, brain search. You will see a list of fields we will be working with. The table ID field will allow you to link a table from the database. Here we will select the one seen before, called products. In the search field, you must put the name of the table columns available for the search process. You can place as many as you want, separated by a comma. The minimum characters field enables you to set a limit for Brain to start looking. So if you leave it at 3, it will start the search the moment a user types 3 characters. We'll leave it with 1. Next field, wait before search, serves as a time limit measured in milliseconds. You can ask it to wait a certain amount of milliseconds after any character is written before starting the search. We'll check the next fields later. Now select the element you want to repeat, and in the element visibility and repeat panel, set the repeater field to brain.data. Now let's test it. We'll look for any product containing a name or price with the number 1 and 3. If you want to provide feedback on the search status, create a text element with the body searching. Then we'll assign the Show If field in the element visibility and repeat panel to the following expression. Test it one more time and it will be visible while searching. You can also assign false positives and suggestions. False positives means if a user makes a typo mistake, Brain will look for the most similar word in your catalog of products. When activating a suggestion, the search results will include more than those looked for, including similar ones. Just set them as true to activate them and let's test it. You can also test how long a search is taking. To do so, create a text element, set its value as the following expression, and in Show If, select. Now preview it and check how long it's taking. Keep in mind, this is measured in milliseconds. The Output Fields option in the variable allows you to decide which kind of info you will be showing with each search. So if a product has a description, name, image, and price info, you can choose to only show the product image and price. Lastly, sort by organizes the info and limit will restrain number of search results.